The corruption trial of the ex-chief of the Singapore Civil Defence Force, Peter Lim, today saw the prosecution cross-examining its key witness, Mdm Pang Chor Mui. The move to question Mdm Pang follows 9 inconsistencies between her statements to the Corrupt Practices Investigation Bureau and her evidence in court on Monday. 52-year-old Lim is accused of tipping Mdm Pang off about SCDF's need for walk-through radiation portal monitors when she was a staff at Nimrod Engineering after obtaining sexual favours from her.
Why did Mdm Pang Chor Mui perform oral sex on Lim? On Monday, she said she did it because she liked Lim a lot. But in her CPIB statement, she said it was also because she didn't want to antagonize him. She said it would not be good for their friendship and her company's dealings with SCDF.
Mdm Pang also admitted that she was in a serious relationship with her former boss, the managing director of Nimrod Engineering, Tamil Selvan, when she performed oral sex on Lim in May 2010. Now, this is different from when she testified on Monday, where she said that she and Mr. Selvan shared an intimate friendship that was non-sexual.
Another area with inconsistencies, SCDF's tender for radiation portal monitors. It's prosecution's case that Lim alerted Mdm Pang about the urgent need for the machines. On Tuesday, Mdm Pang testified that the move did not give Nimrod a head start when the SCDF called for a tender in April 2011. But in her CPIB statement, she said it was the reason why Nimrod was able to bid for the tender. A point that came up during defence's cross-examination, that the location of the sex act was stated in the charge as a car park at Stadium Walk, which differed from Mdm Pang's evidence. The court also heard that Mdm Pang had a special liking for Lim from the time they first met in 1996, as she found him responsible, nice and honest. Mdm Pang said Lim never asked for the sexual favour nor forced her to it. So being a close friend of Lim's, why was she against Nimrod's bid for SCDF's April tender? Mdm Pang replied firmly that business is business and such decisions could not be made based on friendship. She will continue to take the stand again on Wednesday.